Are you ready to embark on a journey to the top 3 places to visit in the world? Our first stop is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia.
Today in this video, we are going to learn about new feature text-to-speech in Filmora Mobile. It is a process of converting your text to voice using AI feature. First, launch Filmora Mobile app, then open your project. If you don't have subtitles, click on Text from menu, then click on Add. And now you can enter your text, adjust the size and position. Or if you already have subtitles, select your subtitle text track and again click on it. Now to create speech from text, select Text to Speech option from menu and it will open up voice menu. Here you can get lots of options for different voices for male, female and children. Also you can select voices for different types of videos like narration, news, ads, social media, educational, conversational and children. For this type of video we are going with conversational. To listen the voice sample, click on play button.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Now to use same voice on all the text in your video, select apply to all, then click on create all text button and it will generate voice according to your text, and not only that, it will align it according to the text. Now let's go back to main interface and play this video.
Are you ready to embark on a journey to the top place to visit in the world? Our first stop is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Stretching over 1,400 miles, this natural wonder is the largest coral reef system in the world.
That's simple to create speech from text in Filmora mobile app. Download the app now and try new text-to-speech feature.